Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the contractor or the contractors on the Spark program. Now the government has opened up the bidding for the contractors internationally, and so far 4 additional international contractors have expressed an interest in the Spark program. Now, the Spark program is going to be the largest road works program in Jamaican history. The largest, $40 billion. And this road that we're driving on is actually the southern coastal highway. This is currently the largest road works program. And then the Spark program is going to be bigger than this one. This one was 132 kilometers of road. But this road that we're driving on now, this section, was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, an international contractor. They are the #1 contractor in Jamaica right now. But because the government has opened up the bidding for the Spark program internationally, more international contractors are coming. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on with the program and the international contractors. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has informed that evaluation and award of contract under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program will be done by September 30, 2024. Mr. Holness made a disclosure during a statement to the House of Representatives. Approximately 70 roads identified during consultations on the Spark program have been referred to the National Works Agency, NAA, to be scoped and costed. The Prime Minister noted that in order to obtain the best available skills for effective management and implementation of these works, we are undertaking them using competitive bidding that is advertised internationally. Let me be clear. Under international competitive bidding, our local entities are encouraged and indeed expected to submit tenders singly or in association with other local contractors, or they can form a consortium with local and international companies, Mr. Holness pointed out. He informed that the pre-qualification documents would have been available for download as of Monday, April 22, and the tender period will now close on Friday, May 24, 2024. The award will be done in 4 packages of approximate equal value. Package 1, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Thomas. Package 2, St. Catherine, Clarendon. Package 3, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover. Package 4, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, St. Mary, and Portland. 10 construction companies, 6 local and 4 international, participated in the pre-bid meeting for pre-qualification. It is to be noted that since the pre-bid meeting was not compulsory, it is possible that additional companies will submit proposals by the closing date. Evaluation will be done by May 31st, 2024 to select pre-qualified bidders based on established criteria, including capacity and work experience. Pre-qualification bidders will be invited to submit bid proposals by August 15, 2024, Mr. Holness said. He added that the bid proposals will be informed by the main roads that have been selected by the NAA and from constituencies coming out of the consultations. It is therefore crucial that consultations happen as expediently as possible. Ideally, we would like to have all roads selected by the end of June. We are working assiduously to ensure the efficient implementation of these works, Mr. Holness said. The Spark program is allocated $40 billion, which is divided equally between main roads under the jurisdiction of the NAA and secondary and community roads that are under the control of the municipal corporations or the NAA. The program is to be implemented over a 2-year period, and works will include pavement resurfacing rehabilitation, sidewalk rehabilitation, drainage improvements, waterline improvements, retaining wall construction, and intersection improvement at strategic locations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about more international contractors coming and the entire bidding process. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We are actually driving on the Southern Coastal Highway, the section between Harborview and Yalos. And this is the section that was done by an international contractor, China Harbor Engineering Company. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.